So we are going to take a look at an absolutely crazy one again. Sundial Growers Stock. And after getting shorted massively, it experienced incredible growth of more than 1,300% at the beginning of this year, but pulled back since those highs of about almost $4 to about 77 cents. Since then, however, the stock got hyped up again, being able to perform yet another 90% run, which all is just insane. But as we're still not able to climb back to where we were, what we are going to do today is give you an updated insight into what is happening to Sundial stock and break down exactly whether it is still a buy at the end of this video. And as the analysis in the next few minutes is absolutely crucial to consider before buying the stock, make sure to stay tuned. Really quick before we jump right in, just hit that subscribe button down below. And as we'll keep you updated on breaking news and awesome trading opportunities every single day, subscribing would not only help us, but also you. So there is really no excuse for not smashing the subscribe button, it's free, and you can always unsubscribe if you feel so. Alright, let's start talking about the stock. So as mentioned in the beginning, and this is crucial to consider for the prediction at the end of this video, the stock jumped massively at the beginning of this year. Back in July 2020, for example, the company only had about 100 million shares outstanding, which is nothing compared to the astonishing 1.66 billion shares outstanding right now. And as it is super easy for companies to cash out on such spikes in their shares price, Sundial Growers took full advantage. This also means that the company paid back all of its debt with the new capital and is still left with 719 million Canadian dollars in cash. What's super important to know, however, is that its rise in the stock's price is mainly benefiting from two other upbeat factors we quickly have to take a look at before coming to a prediction at the end of the video. As mentioned before, the first one is the surrounding hype. That's because the stock was heavily traded among retail traders and massively talked about on forums like Wall Street Bets. And despite pushing up a little too fast to don't experience bigger pullbacks afterward, buyers showed their incredible optimism by thriving the price up to almost $4, now also wanting to perform a recovery from the recent pullbacks. Another major factor that supported the incredible growth is that the company itself is extremely transparent. The high accessibility of data on their website, for example, helped Redditors make Sundial Growers the literally most discussed cannabis stock of 2021 so far. But the stock also appears interesting based on the technical chart, with a possible new recovery being very likely. Additionally, and this is also very important before we can come to the prediction, the fundamentals of Sundial stock are on point. And with the recent offering, they will have $700 million in cash on hand and completely eliminated debt. But there's also legalization in the works as well. Another quick look at similar stocks that got picked up by retail traders, especially AMC, proves the still enormous power of retail traders. Moreover, there is a huge deal planned. Sundial Growers and Inner Spirit Holdings have entered into an arrangement agreement, pursuant to which Sundial will acquire all the issued and outstanding common shares of Inner Spirit for total consideration of approximately $131 million. And with global sales exceeded $21 billion in 2020, with forecasts of $55.9 billion by 2026, the future's looking good. Sundial is positioned very well against its competitors and will invest heavily in the US by merging or buying other companies. So 2022 will be extremely profitable for the industry, and Sundial could be a good investment to hold for a long-term value. As we are currently selling off, shares are also getting cheaper, which means that trading the stock gets less and less risky. But be careful. There's still a ton of volatility, especially noticeable in short-term trades. Alright, with that being it for today's video, however, thank you very much for watching. If you liked this video and want to support our mission of providing free financial information to everyone here on YouTube, please ensure you're subscribed and definitely consider leaving a like. As mentioned before, it really means the world to us. Thanks a lot and see you next time.